Hello dear students, good evening everyone. This is the 7th lecture for class 9 physics, and in this lecture today we will discuss about the very important terms, that is mass and weight of third chapter, that is gravitation. In gravitation I think nearly 3 or 4 lectures remaining, and after 3 or 4 lectures the chapter gravitation will complete, and then after will be I think fluids related concept, and then work energy power, and last will be sound. So in today's lecture we will discuss mainly two topics, that is mass and weight. Mostly students are confusing how the mass and weight are different, and how the mass and weight are just related to each other. So when you just concentrate your mind, then everything will be clear. What is the concept of mass and what is the concept of weight? Just see, very easy concept. So first, in gravitation, mass. In mass, we can define mass of an object. Suppose you have to define the mass, then you have to take any object, because mass whenever having, then there is a concept of an object. The mass of an any object is the matter, you say that materials that contain in it. Very simple definition. Listen again. Mass of an object is defined as the matter that contain in it. You see, mass of an object is defined as the amount of matter that contain in it. Very easy definition. Mass of an object is defined as the amount of matter. How much amount that contain the particular object, that amount is defined as what? That is mass. And then after definition, there are certain points that are very important to the concept of mass. Just see number 1. Mass is a scalar quantity. Why this one is scalar quantity? Because mass having only one magnitude. There is no chance of direction. It's a directionless content. Only one magnitude, just like mass of an object 1 kg or 1 gram or 1 milligram and so on. There is no concept of direction. Only one the concept of magnitude. That's why mass is a scalar quantity. It is measured by beam by length. In normal condition, it is measured by beam by length, but in practical purpose, that is in laboratory, it is measured by the chemical balance. That is a balance kept in glass jar. Whenever a balance kept in glass jar, then there is no effect of air resistance and the measurement is mostly accurate. That's why measured by either beam balance in normal condition or in practical approaching, that is measured by chemical balance. Third thing, SI unit of mass is kg, or you say that kilogram. The value of mass is constant. The value of mass is constant. It means when we just move from place to place, then there is no change in the mass value. Constant at every place. Mass of an object never becomes zero. Never becomes these are the points that are related to the concept of mass, very important points. And same as we will discuss about the concept of weight. First of all, when you just understand about the mass, then the concept of weight will be very easy. How the weight depends upon mass and how mass related to weight. In definition and in all points, everything is clear. Very simple concept. How the measurement is done, which type of physical quantity, and what is the SI unit, and how the value constant, because it is a fundamental physical quantity that does not depends upon any other, so its value is what? Always constant at every place. What is the mass of an object? That never changes, that will be fixed, and you measured whenever at a particular point, or you just measured at different point, and the mass of an object never becomes zero. If the body having some mass, then the mass will be fixed and always having fixed quantity. Then after mass, the next thing, that is weight. Very easy also, just like mass. The concept of weight, that is depends upon the concept of mass. That's I explained for earlier mass and then now weight. It is defined as the force. It is defined as the force with which any object attracted towards the center of earth. Very simple concept. Weight means what? That is the concept of force. Concept of force. That is W is equal to F is equal to mass, and the acceleration whenever just any body attracted towards the earth center, then the acceleration produced in the body is said to be what? That is small g. So at the place of acceleration we will use what? Small g. And if m is equal to 1 kg, and g is equal to 9.8 meter per second square, then W is equal to F is equal to 9.8 Newton. And then after definition concept, the concept of few points. Number one, weight of an object is a vector quantity because weight of any object whenever measured, then there is a specific direction, that is direction towards the center of earth. It is measured by spring balance third point, its value changes from place to place. Why it changes from place to place? Because the concept of weight depends upon the concept of gravity. As we have discussed in earlier lecture that gravity changes from place to place. There are few conditions or few effect of shape of earth as like an effect of altitude and effect of depth below the earth's surface on which the value of gravity depends. So the value of weight also depends. It's means what? That changes from place to place. That is depends upon acceleration due to gravity. And next one, the value of weight becomes 0 at the center of earth. How the value of weight becomes 0? Because at the center we are knowing that small g becomes 0. Whenever small g becomes 0, then weight will be what? 0. And unit of this one, that is here calculated in above step, SI unit of weight is Newton, and we say that kilogram meter per second square. These are the terms related to weight, and whenever the concept of mass is clear, then the concept of weight, that is very easy. It means weight of an object, that is totally depends upon the mass. Whenever mass concept is clear, then weight concept will be very easy. So you will learn out by writing 2 or 3 times, making practice as you can. If any confusion in any steps, then you can ask. So after this, in next lecture, we will discuss about some mysterious concept. That concept is very, very important in your real life, but someone are knowing and someone are not knowing how the concept works. And the concept of that mysterious terms or phenomenon, that is based on this word, gravity. And some other concept will also include in the explanation of that particular mysterious phenomena, we will explain in detail. So all these terms related to weight, I will say that in previous, just like mass. If any confusion, then you can ask. Thank you so much for this lecture. Have a nice day.